Let's read the questionnaire together. And here, let's find out. So, of course, I want you to read the sentence and then read the options. And then I want you to choose the option which you think is best for you. Okay?
Okay.
All right, let's start with number one.
When I get up in the morning, I am always happy and I have a lot of energy. I'm sometimes happy, but I don't have a lot of energy. I'm not very happy and I never have a lot of energy. B.
Okay.
But I can.
All right, so let's choose B for you. What about number two?
At the weekend, sometimes get up before 9 a.m. I always get up before 9 a.m. I hardly ever get up before 9 a.m. Sometimes A.
Okay.
When there's a good film on TV late at night, I always watch it to the end. I always record it and go to bed. I often watch the beginning, but I never see the end. See.
Okay. So what about number four? Can you read number four?
When I go to a party, I always stay to the end. I sometimes stay to the end. I never stay to the end. See also.
Okay.
When I see friends at the weekend, I usually see them in the afternoon. I sometimes have a coffee with them in the morning. I hardly ever see them before 9 p.m.
Okay.
When a friend phones me before 8 a.m. when friends phone them. Okay, but I am always happy to talk to him, her. I'm sometimes happy to talk to him, her. I never answer the phone. B.
Okay. So what do you have for answer number one?
B.
Okay, let's choose B.
Those نقاط.
What about number two?
A.
Okay. What about number three?
Number three. C.
Okay, and number four?
C.
Five.
B.
And the last one?
Also B.
All right, now let's calculate what you scored, how many points you have. 2 and 2, 4, 4 and 2,
10.
6,
10, 10, 10.
7, 10. All right, 10,
Yeah.
very good. So 10, this is your result. You're here in the middle. Can you read the analysis? Can you read the result, your result? What does it say?
You're not a night owl or an early bird, so you're probably an afternoon person. You probably get up early in the week and then sleep a lot at the weekend.
Do you think this is true? Do you agree with the results? Okay, so this means you're not a night owl, you're not an early person, and
Yes.
but you don't sleep a lot at the weekend.
Yeah. Exactly.
Interesting. Very nice, very nice.